Tired of laggy connections and the same old faces on OmeTV? Let's ditch the frustration and unlock a world of smoother chats and diverse connections by learning how to switch servers. First, understand that OmeTV doesn't have a built-in server selection option, so we'll be using a VPN or virtual private network to change your virtual location. Choose a reputable VPN provider. Popular choices include Norton, Expression, and Surfshark. Do your research to find one that suits your needs and budget. Download and install your chosen VPN app. Open the app, and you'll usually find a list of server locations. This is where the magic happens. Select the server location you want to connect to. For example, if you want to connect with users in Europe, choose a server in a country like Germany or the UK. Once the VPN is connected, indicated by a green light or a connected status, it's time to head back to OmeTV. Close and reopen your OmeTV website or app to ensure it recognizes your new virtual location. Now, start connecting. You should be matched with users from the region you selected on your VPN. Enjoy faster connections and a wider range of conversations. Remember, using a VPN can significantly improve your OmeTV experience by reducing lag and expanding your potential connections. Experiment with different server locations to find the best connection and community for you. Happy chatting!